Enforcement Agency or the National Weather Service Office in San Francisco, California. The following is an urgent warning from the National... The following is an urgent weather message from the National Weather Service. Issued at 2:52 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time. The National Weather Service in San Francisco has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Santa Cruz County in Northern California until 3 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time. At 2:49 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 7 miles southwest of Ben Lomond, Oregon, 10 miles west of Santa Cruz, moving northeast at 50 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and small hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Boulder Creek and Ben Lomond. Tornadoes can develop quickly from severe thunderstorms. Seek shelter immediately in an interior room on the lowest floor of a well-built structure. Report severe weather to your nearest law enforcement agency or the National Weather Service Office in San Francisco, California. The following is an urgent warning from the National Weather Service.